In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export a board out of monday.com. This process is straightforward and should take just about 5 minutes, so let's dive right in. To begin, you'll need to navigate to monday.com. Open your preferred web browser and type in the URL or use your bookmark if you have one. Once you're on the site, you'll notice the login button at the top right corner. Go ahead and click on it. Now, you'll be prompted to log in to your account. If you've signed up using your Google account, you can save some time by simply clicking on the Google option and selecting your account from the list. This should quickly redirect you into your monday.com dashboard. Once you're logged in, navigate to your desired board. You should see a list of boards on your dashboard, so pick the one you wish to export. Make sure this is the correct board, as this is the data you'll be exporting. After selecting your board, direct your attention to the top right corner of the page. You'll see a 3-dot menu right beside the invite link. Click on these 3 dots to reveal a drop-down menu. This menu contains several options that will allow you to manage your board effectively. In the menu that appears, look for the More Actions option. This will usually be listed further down in the drop-down menu, so you might need to scroll a little to find it. Click on More Actions, and you should see a variety of options designed to help you manage and interact with your board data. Among these options is Export Board to Excel. Click on it. This is the key step where you decide to convert your board data into an Excel file format, which can be incredibly useful for various purposes such as analysis, sharing, or offline access. Finally, you're almost there. You'll see a prompt asking if you're ready to export. Simply click on Export to confirm your selection. Your board should start downloading automatically as an Excel file. Depending on your browser settings, this file will either download to your default downloads folder, or you'll be prompted to choose a directory. That's it. Your monday.com board is now exported as an Excel file. This process can be incredibly helpful for tasks where you need your board data outside of the monday.com platform, or when you need to share your data with team members who are more comfortable using Excel. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments section below. Have a great day.